Hello! You've probably heard a lot about the Flatpack house already. Well, now I'm going to show you how to actually build one with these parts. You have several different parts, like the corner parts and the longer beams. Together these will make your own Flatpack house. Okay, let's get started. To start, you'll take a regular corner and a beam with two lines on one side of the hole. You'll connect it like this. So you see that there appears a line there. That line is to put in an interconnection part, like the short one, where we'll connect now. You'll secure them by putting one of the spare parts through the hole that you see here in the interconnection part, like so. And then it falls out again since it's not been secured correctly. You'll put this in, and then secure it. Alright, now this part has been done. You take the other corner, make sure that these lines you see here and there are in the same way. Like this one's vertical, then that one has to be vertical too. Now, take the long interconnection part and connect it on the other side from the short one. And secure it likewise. And there, the first part is done. Next, you'll take another one of the beams you just used and the two bent corners. We'll begin with the long one, connect it here, and secure it with the long interconnection part. As the same way you did before, securing with the spare part. Then take the other corner and the short interconnection part. Make sure again that these lines are both heading the same way, so both are vertical now. Then, again, make sure the short interconnection part is on the different side from the long one, and secure it. And now for the third and last part of making the Flatpack house. We'll connect the two parts that you just made before. So you have the one with the right corners, which is the floor, and the one with the slightly bent corners, which is the roof. You'll connect them with the other beams, and in the same way as you did before with the interconnection parts. Make sure that when you connect them, you use a short interconnection part where you already had a long one on the same corner, and a long interconnection part where you already had a short interconnection part on the corner. And there you have it, the first frame of your Flatpack house. Now let's add another frame. As you might have noticed, the parts that would usually be held together by the short interconnection parts now fall apart. That's because you're not using short interconnection parts anymore. Instead, you can use these C-formed shapes and a spare part. Okay, now that we're done with the first entire part of the Flatpack house, you can put it upright, like it's going to be, and then take any other parts you have, like for instance this one, and then you can interconnect them with the short interconnect pieces. Make sure to secure them again. And now you know how to build your own Flatpack house.